Hey, do you live in Nigeria and you want to make tons of money? Well, I know I have some subscribers in Nigeria, so I figured I'd do a video of how you country. There's a lot of people there. I know I have some subscribers on my YouTube channel who requested this video. So I'm going to show you a few different affiliate networks you can use to start earning money with if you live in Nigeria. And I'm also going to expose you to 4 internet millionaires that you can follow on Facebook that are making just a ton of money, and they're living in Nigeria, probably living like princes. If you're Nigerian and you're looking to make money online, you won't be able to sign up with ClickBank, which is my main affiliate network. That's the one I use. I make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month with ClickBank. But that being said, Nigerians have a lot of opportunities to make money. I've showed you some millionaires. Internet marketing is huge in Nigeria. And I've shown you a few millionaires right here. You could follow them on Facebook. Just add them and see what they're up to, see what they're recommending, see what they're doing to help you along in your journey, which are networks you can start with to make money online.